So, Bachelors of Science in Education, Business Education. This is your first semester course list. You are expected to pass all of them, register all of them, and pass all of them. You can see that 3 units courses cost 2,500 to register them. Course registration fee is the same as the fee for the textbooks or course material. And the exam fee is a flat fee of 1,000 for all the courses, whatever number of courses you register. So 2 units and 1 unit credit units, the course material fee is 2,000. 3 units 2,500. So if you add the course material fee and the exam fee together, you get a total of 3,000 for one course, for that course. The ones for 3 units, you'll be getting 3,500. If you sum all of them up, you have a grand total of 34,000. If you add your first compulsory fee of 36,000, you will get 70,000 as your first semester school fee. 24 of 24 means you are expected to pass 24 of 24, all of them. If there's any reduction, you should have seen maybe 20 of 24. You register 24, but you are expected to pass 20 units. That means if you fail, but in this case, no. If it were 20 units, then if you fail 2 courses here, you are still good to go. But in this case, you are not expected to fail anyone. Even if you did fail, you take them, you retake them, that's carry over, you retake them. So 100 level, second semester. You have these courses to register, 22 of 22. In this case, if you might see more courses on your portal, you can add it so that even if you fail one, if you become 24 and you fail one, that is 2 units, then you may still proceed and be awarded your degree certificate in the end. The same calculation was done here: 3 units for 2,500, 2 units for 2,000, the course material fee, the exam fee, summed together. However, here compulsory fee reduced to 18,000 from second semester 100 level onwards. It becomes 18,000. Sum the two together, 31,000 plus 18,000, you'll be getting 49,000. That's your second semester school fee. Now we have 200 level first semester, and these are your courses. Here are 27 unit courses here, but you are expected to pass 24, so you may just pick the ones. Although the portal will not allow you to register more than 24, so you have to pick exactly the 24 you can carry, taking note of the compulsory or core courses starting from there, and then completing it with electives and making sure you pass all of them. So here are your fees. You have a total of 53,500. If you are a direct entry student, you have to add GST 107. Though you cannot add it to your courses this semester, you have to take it to the next semester or any future semester where there are vacant or unused credit units. Let's go to 300 level and see. Okay, here you still have one. You have more than required. So many courses. So in this case, you will see that some of them are elective, and many of them, about 2 or 3 of them will be electives. So what you do is you carry them, or take one course out anyway, since it says 27 of 29. So though you have 29 courses here, you have to, 29 course units. So what you have to do is take one that is 3 units out. Once you take one out, the rest will be registerable. You can register them within the same semester. It will come down to 24 instead of 27. After that, remember the one you have kept behind, you will have to register it in future. So you have kept maybe 2 behind, one from 100 level, one from here. So you move to all here, 200 level. So you move to 300 level. You are still having 24, no space to add any pending courses, but you have 2 behind, no problem. Teaching practice is 10,000. You don't register it for exam, so you just register it. with course material fee anyway, as supervision fee in this case. Okay, so these are your course units, 3 units to 5, 1,000 for exams. Add them together, you get this. Sum all the courses together, you'll be getting this with a compulsory fee of 18,000. You will have 54,500 as your 300 level first semester fee. Okay, then we go to 300 level second semester. And these are your courses. Now you have 21. So you can now bring one of those courses that maybe 3 units, add it here. It becomes 24. You have a COS here, 5,000. You don't register it for exams. Anything practical or projects, you don't register it for exams because it requires supervision in most cases. Supervision. It requires supervision. So, and after summing up the fees, you'll be having 48,000 to pay as your fee, total school fee for 300 level second semester. Now this is 400 level first semester. These are your courses, and you have 22. So one that is 2 units you pick from left from one other, you bring it here. And you also have a COS again, second COS. Students industrial work is supposed to be in capital letter though. So you sum up the fees and you'll be having 48,500 as your fee. You'll be paying 48,500 as your fee. So welcome to your last semester. Here you have all these courses to take, and you have about 5 empty or unused units. So if you had any carryover, maybe 2 courses, you can bring them in. But if you have more than 2 courses, you know you are coming back for the next semester. So this is a very broad course, business education, a very large course. So you have up to 200 units required of you to cover in order to become a graduate. 200